Welcome to the second video here in the Trimble Connect API training series. In this video, we're going to just walk through the features and functionality of the sample application so that you can see some of the things that are possible with the Trimble Connect API. Alright, so let's go ahead and start by launching the application, and you'll notice that there was a sign-in window that actually popped up really quickly, and because I have my password saved, it remembers my username as well as my password and then launches my application. Now if I come over here to get projects, that's going to ping the server and get a list of the projects that I've created or that I'm a part of using my email address or username here. Now the next step is we're going to select this API training this API training project in the list, and if I go to Trimble Connect itself, I have this project open or active here in the web browser. So now you'll see that I've got no files uploaded and there are no comments or tasks or to-do items that have been created here. So we pretty much have an empty project. Now I'll go back to our particular application here. I have API training selected and I'm just going to say create folder. Now what this does is in the root directory, it just made a sample folder here. So when I click on that and refresh, you'll see my new folder appears. Alright, so then let's go to the next thing here, and let's say we're going to create a series of to-dos. Now to-dos are basically, they can be comments or tasks that are assigned to particular people, and automated email notifications can be associated to tasks, as well as areas in the model. Now if you're doing a project, you may want to create some workflow rules for your users that whenever a project started, there is a series of 4 or 5 tasks that need to be done by the project manager or the project engineer. Or if you want to link comments and communication between different 3D modeling platforms, you can easily do that here. Or if different things have been submitted and sent between parties, you can also put those to-dos or those task items here. So this is just showing you how this is automatically created, and just using the API you can actually set the details, the description, and the due date, etc. Alright, so let's go back to our application, and the next thing we'll do is let's upload some files. So here we'll just browse to a few different files. We'll just select these here and then we'll just say open, and that's going to go through, grab all those files, and it's going to upload those files into the root folder directory inside of my project. So now when I go back to Trimble Connect, go to data, here we can see in the Explorer that there's my folder as well as the selected files that I just uploaded. Alright, then the last thing we'll do is we'll actually just go ahead and download some files as well. So here we'll say download file, and this is going to take the files that are found here inside of the root folder, and it's just going to download them into the folder that I browsed to on my computer. So let's just select demo, press OK, and now it's going to go through, grab each one of those files and download them for me. So then I'll come in here and I'll just go to documents, demo, and there you can see those are the files that I've just downloaded. Alright, so that shows you just some of the basics of working with the Trimble Connect API. In the subsequent videos, we're going to go through in more depth the specific code that's associated to each of those parts.